Today we are going to look at sugar under the microscope and add a little bit of water to see what happens. So let's start. I am pouring a small amount of sugar into a tiny metal cup. You can see the sharp edges of each crystal, how beautifully they shine under the light. Let's stir it a little, just to see the structure more clearly, all those tiny sparking pieces. Now I am adding a bit of water, and watch how the sugar reacts. It instantly becomes wet and absorbs the water completely. Let's stir it again and take a closer look at the wet sugar. You can see the crystals getting darker, less sharp, less square. Let's add a bit more water. Slowly, the sugar starts to dissolve. You can see it happening. I am adding a little more sugar now. See how it spreads gently across the surface. And of course, let's mix it again, and a few more drops of water, and stir once more for a better view. Let's zoom in a little. You can see how it gathered together, almost like a jelly, a soft, sticky mess. That's what sugar looks like under the microscope when it meets water.